and welcome to Tree.design video tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a new plugin, and we're going to choose a fun counter. So first of all we're going to go to plugins and add new, and this brings up a screen where you can type in here your plugin name, and we'll just type in counter number, and that will bring up lots of different versions of counter numbers. Now it's worth noting how many active installations they've had. 10,000 plus, pretty good. Some have millions, also good. The other thing you need to know is whether it's compatible with your version of WordPress. Now if your WordPress version is up to date, then most of these plugins should be up to date. It's also worth noting when it was last updated. Okay, so now we're going to click install now. That just takes a little while, and once it's there we will activate it. There we go, so it's installed, and click activate, and what that does is it will put up here in your dashboard counter numbers. So now we go to all counter numbers or add new, seeing as we don't have one yet. Okay, so let's say website visitors. And down here you can have your title, websites, made, happy clients, and that'll do for now. So let's get rid of that one. Okay, let's choose an icon, so you can literally just click on this icon of a laptop, which actually is fine, so we should leave that one for websites made. Happy clients, there is one called child, so that's great. And you can start your counter number value at anything you like. So, well, there we go, and happy clients, fine. All right, so add new counter box. Actually, that's if you wanted to add another one there. We're going to delete that for now, or you can delete all. Obviously, we don't want to do that right now. And this is your shortcode. So this is what you're going to copy and paste, and just have a look down to see if there's any other settings we need to look at. No. So you can also change the color of your icons. Just click here and you can choose any color you like. So we could go for a green or a blue, and the counter title can be red, and the number also orange. There we go, a lovely bright one. So you can also change the size of your icons, the size of your font, and the size of the counters. And also your font. So they have some fonts in here already. So we'll leave it at Open Sans, and you can display the icon or not. You can also decide how many columns you want your layout. As we've only got two, I shall put a two column layout, and then publish. Now, what's that? That's going to publish your counter. So next time we go into add new counter, all counters, you will now see your website visitors here. Okay, so this is your shortcode, which we copied earlier, but you can copy it again here, and then we'll go to a page. I'm going to drop our shortcode in. Let's just go to the About page, and scrolling down, we can add it as a new block. So we're going to click on the plus and look at shortcode. Click on shortcode and literally paste your shortcode number in there, and then update. Now let's go and have a look at that. Okay, so let's head down to where we added, and here we are. So as you can see, it's lovely colours. The blue icon, the number of websites made, and how many happy clients. So it's a really nice little widget to add in, and you can create one for whatever you like. So enjoy and happy playing. All right, we'll see you in the next video.